Alright, hello guys, how's it going? It's for Abjk members. I'm going to show you my CB install since you guys have been asking a lot of questions about CBs. I've just learned everything I know in the last couple months. So here goes. Okay, so here's the location of my CB. Mounted it right above the mirror. Fits great right there. Have my wires tucked right up underneath, up into the beam. They run along the plastic, and then my antenna wire continues to run down the roll bar, down that pillar right there, and up underneath the carpet. You can see it running with the stock wiring. Runs all the way back right to this little hole here in the tailgate. This plastic right here just pops right off. Its clips are on the bottom, so pull that cover right off, and then I ran it across the stock wiring right through here all the way to this hole, and then fished it through my tailgate and brought it out right down in here. Let's see if I can get down in there. Alright, so you can see what I've done right there. I've brought it through that hole. What I did is I popped out the grommet, pulled my wire through, and then cut 2 slices through the middle of the grommet so I could push the wire through the grommet and use the grommet to keep the water out. Now, as far as the wiring for your power and whatnot, I ran down the A-pillar on the windshield. Currently I don't have mine properly installed this way, but it will be in the near future the way I did my my lights. So right here is a little cover that you can pop off. It's pretty easy to pop off. Just give it a push at the back or get in there with a small screwdriver. Just give me a second here, I'm going to need both hands to do this. Alright, so as you can see, this cover just pops right off. Now, there's a little hole in the bracket for the dash that's got some foam in it. That foam goes right underneath the cowl. I'll show you where that goes. But what I did is I took a coat hanger, bent it straight, and then pushed it through, attached my wires to it, and then pulled the wires through the foam. Works great. Insulated, not worrying about rubbing your wires on any metal and cutting through and short circuiting. So here's the hole. If you guys can see that. Now that hole is going to come out somewhere down through that area right there. And then you can run your wires up to your battery wherever you want. Here's how it looks when with how it's properly installed, because I did my fog lights through this. Alright, when you ground your antenna, make sure you have it grounded, otherwise your SWR readings are going to be way too high. You'll burn out the CB, the transmitter in the CB. Mounting it on the tailgate's a decent option. Ground's alright through the hinges. I haven't had any problems with that. I've got an SWR reading of about 1.5, which is pretty decent. The best SWR that you want is a 1-to-1. If you guys have any more questions about SWR, I'll do another video on that. I just have to go pick up another SWR reader. so I hope this guy helps you guys with your installations, and have fun.